Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to clear Instagram history. So to do that, let's head over to our Instagram application first. Once you're there, make sure that you're logged in into your desired account and then head over to the search option on the bottom. And in here, just tap on the search bar and then you will find all of your search history or your Instagram history. Then tap on the see all on the top right to see all of the recent searches. And here, once you are in there, just tap on clear all on the top right to clear all of your Instagram history. And as you can see, you won't be able to undo it. If you clear your search history, you may still see accounts that you have searched for as suggested results. So tap on clear all to confirm it, and the search is now empty. So yeah, this is how you can clear Instagram history. Hope this video helped you out, and we'll see you in the next video.